In this video, we will introduce LogManager within the Java programming language. There is a global LogManager responsible for creating and managing the loggers and maintaining the configuration. The default configuration establishes a single console handler with a level of info on the root logger for sending output to system.error. Let's look at an example. In our demo class, we have an instance variable of our logger. Here, using the static method getLogger for our LogManager, we read the configuration file, which in this case is logging.properties. We reinitialize the logging properties and we read the logging configuration from the given stream, which should be in java.util properties. A property change event will be fired after the properties are read. Any log definitions in the new configuration file will be applied using logger.setLevel if the target logger exists. We pass in a file input stream with a file object pointing to our properties file. Here we set the level of our logger and then we add our handler, which in this case is a new console handler. In our for loop, we loop and create some message in our log. In our properties file, we define how our logger will function. Here we have our handlers, such as a console handler, our global level of fine. We can limit the message that are printed into the console to info and above. We can also use the XML formatter for our messages. And that means we will be using the XML formatter to output our logging info. We will allow all messages from severe and above from our package com.vtc. If we have a file handler, we can use this for the pattern for the name of the log, especially good when using rolling logs. Limit of how much our log can contain, how many logs, and again the XML formatter. Now let's run our program. Now we can see our results. Our output is now in XML format. This concludes our discussion of LogManager in Java.